at Borotologa Primary School, Sripur, Magura. Now I am talking about a winter morning of Magura district. There is 6 seasons in our country. Winter is one of them. A winter morning is misty and cold. There is dense fog everywhere. Everything looks hazy. Get up late from bed. The sun is not clearly seen in the sky. Dewdrops fall on leaves and grass. Some people make fire with straw and warm themselves. In this time, people enjoy and date juice and sweet cake. We arrange Pitha in the winter season in Magura district. So I like winter morning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Sarina Tasnim. I read in class 4 in Radhatanga Government Primary School. Today I will tell you about winter in Magura. At this time, weather is very cold here. We make various types of cakes like Baba Pitha, Patishakta, Kuli Pitha, Ras Pitha, etc. In this time, we can see many beautiful flowers like marigold, rose, sunflower, rajनीगंधा, etc. I like winter season. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Pitha. I am a student. I read in class 2 in Radhatanga Government Primary School. Today I will tell you about the birds of Bangladesh. Many kinds of birds live in our country. They are moina, magpie, duck, parrot, crow, cuckoo, etc. They are very beautiful. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Pitha. My school name is Boikhali Godnakur Nityanandapur Government Primary School. I read in class 4. In winter in Magura. Winter season is the coldest one of all the seasons in Magura. In Magura, it starts in December and in March. In Magura, winter brings heavy snowfall, dense fog, and the most so thin winds. We all wear warm clothes in winter. In Magura, many healthy fruits and vegetables are available. In winter, we can see lots of rare migratory birds in winter. Thanks, sir.